guys, so I'm out in Osaka station grabbing some shots with the Canon EOS M. Plus, I opened up the instruction manual for the Canon EOS M, and believe it or not, there's a built-in tilt shift effect inside of it, which I didn't even know about. But just out learning my equipment, and that's how you get comfortable and shooting photos, right? You got to get out and do it. So enough of my jibber jabber, let's go do it. Alright guys, so I was telling you I made my own preset inside of the Canon. It's like a user profile. I made my own, so I'm trying to get it as close as possible to the Kodak V500T, which is my favorite film emulation. Now on this first run I did, I've gotten it pretty close as far as the colors, but I think on my end the shadows are a little bit too heavy. Like it's a little bit too dark, because I tend to underexpose most of my photos when I shoot. That means underexpose means I shoot them a little bit on the darker side, again, because most movies, that cinematic look I like is more tend on the dark side, right? I think I'm gonna go back into the preset and adjust the curve a little bit so I can still keep and retain a little bit of details in the shadows, but still being able to, you know, have that kind of deep contrastic dark, you know, kind of contrasted look. The contrast was actually a little bit soft because I was using the Pro Mist filter, which I probably should have shot them without the Pro Mist on, just so I can get a general view of how the profile looks without any filtering on it, but I didn't. So if you guys are interested in getting this filter, the version 1 right now, I have a link down in the description. If you run a Canon EOS, actually any Canon camera, this filter, this user profile will work on any camera. Take a look, links down in the description.